works in most cases. Windows 10.11. Fix 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 1. Press Win+I. Go to System, Troubleshoot. 2. Click Other Troubleshooters. 3. Run Windows Update. 4. Restart your PC. Fix 2. Reset Windows Update components. Most effective. 1. Press Start. 2. Type Command. 3. Right-click Command Prompt. Run as administrator. 4. Copy and paste these commands one by one. You can see the code in our conversation history. Then rename update folders. You can see the code in our conversation history. Now restart services. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart your PC and try updating again. Fix 3. Install KB5077241 manually. 1. Visit the official Microsoft Update catalog. 2. Search KB5077241 Download the version matching your system, x64, x86. 4. Install manually. Fix 4. Repair corrupted system files. Open Command Prompt and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. After it finishes, run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC. Fix 5. Free disk space. Windows updates may fail if less than 20 gigabytes free space, C drive is almost full. Delete temporary files. Press Win-R. Type %10%. Delete all files. If still failing, tell me, Windows version 10 or 11, exact error code 0x800F100902, 0x800702. Is it stuck at a certain percent? I'll give you a specific fix. If you want, I can also create SEO title, description, keywords and hashtags, comma separated. Just tell me.